Over the past days, we have shared knowledge, fortified partnerships, reaffirmed our commitment to advancing aviation in Africa.
It's been a long week. Here we are at the end. To all the delegates that have come, I sincerely thank you because you made it all possible.
Aviation is not just transport. It is a bridge that connects people and the opportunity.
To the speakers, the committee meetings and their sessions, to the new hosts, Angola, I wish you all the best.
My overall experience up to the conference, encouraging and very inspiring.
Regarding the exhibition, I could say that everything was perfect. I really enjoyed during my time. We had the chance to share our ideas with airports regarding the fire truck solutions.
We had some great feedback. We've also had a lot of learning to do. We had master classes that were insightful, very educative.
I must say I'm looking forward to implementing some of the things that we learned here, and also looking forward to reporting some progress at the next ACI conference in Luanda, Angola.
So thank you all and meet you in Luanda.